Hi friends, this is Ray from Honey Top Bees. I'm glad that you are here today. If you are new here, welcome. I'm glad that you found my channel. I hope you will stick around for this video. We talk about all things beekeeping, small scale, 1 to 50 or 60 hives is where I focus in on. So if you're in that range, then this is a great channel for you to subscribe to and be a part. Today, just a fun little project. Now, I'm just gonna be honest with you about this. So if you look here, I am up to hive number 33. I am 3D printing little labels that I drop on the ground. Let me grab that one. I'm printing these labels for the front of my hive. Now, I want to tell you why I'm doing this, and so that you don't have any misunderstanding about it. Number one is not the highest motivation, but it definitely is a motivation. And that is that I am putting these labels on my hive because there is some research that shows that different colors, like you see here, keep the bees from drifting. However, I want to make sure that you don't feel like this is necessary in any way. I've been keeping bees, first started keeping bees with my dad 50 years ago and didn't have any colored labels on the front of my hives, and I've done just fine with beekeeping. The research shows that the impact of having some differentiation between the hives, whether it's in color or style, etc., is very minimal when it comes to reducing bee drift. So that was a small factor in the back of my mind, but not the biggest factor for why I have created all of these different color labels. Reason number two why I did this is a little bit more of a valid reason than to reduce drift in our beehives, and that is I really just wanted to have hive numbers on my hives because I love to be able to leave a message like in my notes and say, hey, go back and check hive number 1 or go back and check hive number 2 in 2 weeks and see whether that queen got mated and whether she started laying eggs or whatever. And I run about 40 hives. Generally, I can keep most of them straight in my mind, but this would really be handy to just have a hive number on all the hives. And so that's my second reason for putting all of these, for printing all of these labels. But my third reason is the real reason why I did this. Because I wanted to play with my 3D printer. I'm just being honest. Like, I love my 3D printer. It's a lot of fun. And so I thought, hey, let me go ahead and make these little hive labels. And if you want some of these, leave me a message. We can work something out. If you have some hives that you'd like to put these on. So I'm going to take these outside. I'm going to put some of them on my house. So come on, let's do it. Doesn't that look pretty? This hive is already a dead out, but I'll be replacing it in the spring. So I'm gonna go ahead and screw my name tag down here for the winter. All right, well, got the first location done. That's good enough for this video anyway. I'm gonna head over to one of my other 3 locations and do the rest of my hives. I'm on 15, so I've got about 20 more to go for this time of year. Thanks for watching me today. God bless.